Jignasa's topic is to study on energy management. Energy management includes planning and operation of energy production and energy consumption units as well as energy distribution and storage. Objectives of resource conservation, climate protection and cost savings while the users have permanent access to the energy they need. Next, my friend, continue.
To minimize energy cost, waste without affecting production and quality, to minimize environmental effects. Next. Preliminary energy audit methodology. Energy audit is a key to systematic approach for decision making in the area of energy management. It attempts to balance the total energy inputs with its use and serves to identify all the energy streams in a facility. It quantities energy usage according to its discrete functions. Industrial energy audit is an effective tool in defining and pursuing comprehensive energy management program. Next.
Introduction to energy management and general principles of energy management. Energy is an integral part of today's modern life. Energy management is the systematic use of management and technology to improve organization energy performance. It needs to be proactive and incorporate energy efficiency and renewable energy to be fully effective. Energy management is all about reducing the cost of energy used.
Preliminary energy audit methodology. Energy audit is the key of systematic approach of decision making in the area of the energy management. It attempts to balance the total energy inputs with its use and serves to identify all the energy streams in the facility. It qualities energy usage according to its discrete function. Industries energy audit it's an effective tool in defining and pursuing comprehensive energy management program.
Thank you.
Energy audit. Energy audit is an inspection, survey, and analysis of energy flows, energy conservation in a building process of system to reduce the amount of energy input into the system without negatively affecting the outputs. Energy audit is an activity that serves the purpose of assessing energy use pattern of a factor of energy consuming equipment and identifying energy saving opportunities. In commercial and industrial real estate, an energy audit is the first step to identify opportunities to reduce energy expenses and carbon footprints.
More efficient equipment. More efficient equipment can often be submitted to fulfill the same function. Example, sodium or metal halogen lamps rather than incandescent lamps for area lighting. Many types of industrial and residential and commercial equipment are now rated or labeled in items of their efficiency. There are wide variations among different manufacturers depending on size, quality, capacity and initial cost.
Technology, availability, space, skill, manpower, reliability, service, etc. The impact of energy efficiency measures on safety, quality, production or process, the maintenance requirements and space availability.
And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.